Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s to the power of 3 plus 1. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to first derivative of s to the power of 3. You got about 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by du over number 3. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.